Hello everyone, and welcome to Mortgage Ins and Outs, a video series produced by Realtor.com to help you through the home buying process. Today, we are fortunate to have joining us Max Koziol. Max is Executive Director at Chase Home Lending. Max, I'm really excited about today's topic. Truly, it's all about low down payments because not everybody has a lot of money or the ability to put, say, 20% down. So let's talk about some of the options out there if you really don't have a lot of money to put down.
Yes, thanks, Audrey. There's a lot of options out there. So some of the options include VA loans, FHA loans, and conventional loans. VA loans start at zero down payment.
Zero.
For those that serve any of the military branches.
Right.
And then you can go in with 3% down payment. So this way you don't have to put a big chunk of it into your house right away. You can start the process early and you can get into your home sooner instead of waiting to save up that 20%.
Oh, great. Okay, so let's talk about sort of how you qualify for some of these programs. How do you get into them? Because 3% is pretty good.
For sure. So 3% comes with PMI, which is private mortgage insurance. So what that means is that there is going to be an additional fee that you're paying every single month because you're not putting that full 20% down payment.
So it's basically insurance for the mortgage company to make sure that if for any reason you can't pay it, they're covered.
Correct.
Okay, great. So what are the pros and cons of some of these loans? I mean, some obviously may have sort of, besides PMI, have sort of advantages or disadvantages to them.
Sure, so there's few. So the pros for sure is that you're able to get into your house sooner. You don't have to wait and save months and months and months and waiting for that big chunk of cash to save up the 20%. You can actually get out of your rental or get out of your parents and get into your own new home much sooner. Your payment is going to be a little bit higher because of the PMI process, but this way you are keeping more money for yourself. Also, with the lower down payment options, you are saving more cash in your savings account.
Yeah, I was going to ask you about that actually. So do you still need reserves if you do the 3% down?
You do. You still need reserves.
How many months?
So it depends on the product and depends on your credit profile. So once you're sitting down with your trusted advisor, making sure that it's the right product for you, make sure you have a conversation with that person to see which product is the best. Okay,
good. And I think there are other avenues also outside of sort of perhaps your typical mortgage lender that might help you with this. So what else can you do?
Yeah, so there's, first of all, you can always ask family members for gifts.
Yes.
So a gift is a great option to make sure you can get into your first home. The other options are several cities and towns and neighborhoods have different grants. So make sure you check with your local lender to see what you might qualify for.
Oh, great. I hadn't considered that at all.
For sure.
I think this is really, really helpful. Not everybody has a bundle of cash under their bed. So.
Exactly, right.
Well, Max, that was super helpful. Thank you so much. This is Audrey Whittington on the video series Mortgage Ins and Outs, and we hope if you enjoy it, you'll check out some of our other videos. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like or subscribe to our channel for more real estate content.